Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Academia Espresso machine. This machine was brought here because it was giving an error 14 and it was not heating at all. And it was basically because it needed all these fuse to be replaced. And these fuses are really hard to reach. They're pretty much deep inside the machine on the back, and you pretty much have to disassemble the whole thing almost to get there. It's pretty hard to get in there. And when we replaced those, the machine was trying to heat up, but it didn't want to produce coffee, and the water flow from this water wasn't good, and we ended up replacing it. So let's give it a test. Start with the cappuccino so we can pretty much test everything in one shot.
Hi, is that your house?
Yeah, I have my drink. We're gonna be using water instead of milk, but it's gonna be the exact same thing
What's the last name?
as using milk.
Last name was Nijsure.
Alright, great.
This is actually my brother-in-law's unit. They are in Davis. So, can I give the contact number? Their
Yeah,
contact
I'm
number?
gonna fill out a form.
Alright.
Once she's done with that.
Okay.
And there you have it, flowing correctly and a good temperature. Stop in the water. As you can see, coffee coming out good color, good water flow. You can leave it longer since you need to get the temperature. It is working perfectly fine. Alright, we gotta refill the water and finish the remaining process. And you have it, Gaggai Academia working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.